Hey, welcome to my channel. It's been a while, and I thought since I have these bananas that need to be eaten, they're pretty ripe, let's make some banana bread. What do you think, Emerald?
Yes.
So Emerald, if you come stand over here, the camera can see you a little better. You want to move your step stool? I'm Michelle. This is Emerald, my daughter, and today we're making banana bread, and it's supposedly the copycat recipe to Starbucks banana bread. And I will go ahead and show you the recipe either in the comments down below, or I can put a little link. Got it off Pinterest. So we're going to start with a bowl. I'm going to need that.
Mommy, can I crack this egg? Can you help me crack this egg?
No, I need to wash it first.
Okay, help me crack the egg after you wash
Let's see what the directions say. Okay. Roll up my sleeves and wash this egg.
Eggy is going to get washed. How is it get cracked open?
And the reason we're washing eggs, what's the reason we're washing eggs? Because they're fresh eggs from my mother-in-law's house. She has hens, and so we have some fresh eggs, and you're supposed to wash them before you use them because they have some kind of membrane on them, but when you buy them from the grocery store, they're already pre-washed. So we wash the egg, okay? So first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna add some flour, baking soda, and salt to a small bowl. So this is my small bowl. Oh, actually I have a smaller bowl.
We need a baby bowl. I gotta go to Nana's house. You want to use a baby bowl? You're using a baby bowl? You're using a
Stop, I need to read it. So we need 2 cups of flour.
I want to put a flower.
So I'm not prepared here. I don't have any of my measuring utensils. Okay. I don't know. 2 cups of flour in this is a pretty small bowl. Let's go ahead and use this. Okay.
I want to do 2 cups.
2 cups of flour.
I want to do it.
Okay, you can pour it in. Let me get it on in the cup for you.
Do that one after the big one because it has more flour than that one.
Okay, pour it in. Okay,
Crush.
1 more cup.
Do that one.
Okay, pour it in. Now we need
I
1 teaspoon of baking soda.
I wanna
So I got
do
my baking soda.
Can I do the baking soda?
Yeah, let me get my measuring utensil. You need 1 teaspoon, so this is 1 teaspoon.
What's 1 teaspoon?
I'll show you. That's 1 teaspoon. Pour it in for me.
Bye-bye.
And we need a 1/4 teaspoon of salt.
I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it.
This is the 1/4. And I'm using pink Himalayan salt.
Do it.
I hope that doesn't mess up the recipe.
Can I do it?
Okay, and that's what it says to do, okay, in 1 bowl,
Yeah.
okay? Set that aside. Now, mix egg, sugar, and oil and stir until well combined. Add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients and stir. The mixture will be thick and dry.
Oh.
Next, add milk, vanilla, and bananas. Okay. Well, while I am mixing the eggs, why don't you smush up some bananas?
Okay.
So let's get some bananas and then we'll smush.
I want to open them. Can I open them, Mom? I want to open them.
Did you wash your hands? No, you didn't. Go wash your hands.
Don't do it yet, Mama. Don't
Yeah, here, get one banana.
On a peel.
Peel it.
Get the banana. Banana. Here's
Okay.
a banana.
Now mush it up. Go like this and mush it.
Okay.
Okay, while she's mushing the bananas, I'll do the egg, sugar, and oil and combine that together.
I wanted to do that. I'm done, Mama.
Nope, you gotta keep doing it. It's not done yet. Keep mushing. This needs a lot of mushing. Look like this. So we got our one egg.
So with that side, now your other side.
And we need how much milk? 2 tablespoons.
I want to do it.
Here's the 2 tablespoons. Or 1 tablespoon from 2 of these.
I'm done, Mama.
Now keep doing it. You're not done. We needed sugar. How much sugar we need? We need 1 1/8 cup of sugar.
Can I do this, sugar? Mom, can I do this? Can I do this,
This
sugar?
can be a half.
I wanted to do the sugar.
Well, I'm trying to get it out. There. Okay, pour it in.
Ooh.
Okay, and then we need oil. How much oil?
Mom, I
Half
wanted you to use the banana. I wanted to eat one. Not in a banana burn, out of a banana burn, not like this.
Well, they were a little ripe for you. I don't think you would have liked them. Okay, are you done squishing those up?
Mhm.
Let's do that.
I can't hear it so about.
Well, if you want to go watch, go watch.
I can't hear it.
Hear what? What are you trying to hear?
The pig.
Okay, well then go watch over there.
No, it's not.
Okay, so we're mixing the dry with the wet. Okay, now we need to add vanilla to this. How much vanilla we need? Half a teaspoon.
Can I do it, Mom? Can I do it? I want to do it. I want to do it. I want to do it.
Okay, pour it.
One.
Okay. Now,
I want to eat my banana bread.
now this is going to have a very doughy consistency. And now we're going to mix the bananas with it. Okay, once you have mixed the dry with the wet and the bananas, here's what it looks like. And then you have an option to add walnuts. The kids don't like walnuts, so we're not putting walnuts. Get your loaf pan, grease it, and then while this is all cooking, you're supposed to be preheating your oven to 325. And let's get it in the pan. Oh, we got Asher here. Asher's here to help us. Asher, you want to say hi to the people?
Hi.
Okay, now you have it in your loaf pan. Okay, I just took it out of the oven. It took probably about 65 minutes to cook. And I just stuck a knife in, pulled it out, made sure nothing came out. And here is the banana bread. It's supposed to be the Starbucks copycat recipe. So we'll see how it turns out. Thank you for joining my video, and I hope you enjoyed. Please comment below if you'd like to see something else and what you would like to see. Like the video, share it, do all the things, and I'll see you another time for another video. Bye.